Okay. I'm recording that way.
Okay. And if you want to, are you doing a video or?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So just so you know that these long black screws here go with this, just the unstained center section.
Okay, the long screws are with the middle.
Yeah.
And these are pigtails? The ones in the back over there?
These ones here, yeah, they are, yeah.
They're like going at an angle?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's why I actually like to use just a hand screwdriver, because you get a better feel of direction and things like that with where they're going. But
the way he's showing you, he said, will be the easiest way to put it together.
You want me to grab that tape?
Yeah, please. There we go.
Okay.
That's it.
Take that out.
All right. So we can just lay down here. So that's that part there. And then...
Can these slip up? Like oh no, you gotta take off one side.
Yeah. So the next thing that we'll do here is, I guess...
This stays all together, right? This and that stays together?
That's correct, yes.
Yeah, it's just
so
going to be...
Basically, it's going to be
Four parts,
yeah.
Headboard and...
Headboard, the two side rails, and then the base.
Okay.
Let him show you which to do first and second.
Right, do these flat? No?
Well, there's ones in the back as well.
That's why he's going to show you.
Okay.
So what I can do is I can just probably zip in here.
Maybe if we take out the nightstands, it'll be easier? Or are they in your way? Not really.
Yeah. Well, you know, everything's in the way until it comes apart, and then it all gets a bit...
Ow, Ray! Say excuse me, Ray. Goodness.
Well, you know what I'm doing in that?
All right. Do you want to take a quick video and just get back here? It's just the screws of the washers. Okay. It's two on either side.
Okay.
And the way that it's pretty straightforward, because this is the first to come, well, aside from the center rail, but this is the first a piece to come off, you know.
Before you take out those? Okay.
Yeah, that's right, and then they come down separate.
This side in a little bit more now.
You need a bit.
There's the boards there, Ray.
Yeah, that's as much as
that's
it's going
fine.
to go.
That's fine.
But,
Here you go, let me go. Here's the 4.
you're on it. Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so those ones go to the back, right?
Yeah, here's a big washer.
That's right. And then, let's see.
There's 4 going inside, right?
Yeah. And then there's also the, I don't know if these are lock washers or something.
No, those are just flat washers.
Yeah, just the...
oh, with the lock washer, okay.
Yeah. So,
okay.
What I'll do is I'll let you take a video of this. So that way you know that there's 4 of these.
Okay.
And they all just...
go into each other.
Like that, yeah. And then those are the ones that hold it back together.
Okay.
And then I'll just put these in here. And when you... do you want me to like tape or band these together? Or
yeah, that'd be good. You know what he's giving me to? You know how you scratched up the other thing?
Yeah. I can get some.
He has the dark ones for this and the light ones for that other one.
Oh, that's cool. Let me take these off right here. Let's do that.
Let me videotape it.
There's 6 screws on these plates.
We're gonna YouTube you
They're
guys.
the little ones, look.
I am much for people that need to take off a platform bed. There's 6 regular screws?
Yeah, little tiny ones. Hold on. Let me take them off.
It wouldn't be too good to drill them too hard in, right?
No.
No, definitely not.
That's why my other drill, it has a thing that you set it, and
Oh, you got a torque setting?
Yeah,
on
it has a torque set on it.
Yeah, that, I would definitely recommend that because
This could mess up the wood.
yeah, because some
If it goes in too far, it'll just.
But it's okay to unscrew it, right, with it?
yes,
Yeah, well,
I'll get those in a secondary. I'll just,
Look, they're the ones for the
Those are the corner ones?
for these plates.
Okay, and those go on the corner front board.
Yeah, they go with this plate.
okay, so that's the ones there for the back. All right. So now, if you
I like you. You keep things together. That's good.
I'll try to. I'll tell you what, Ray. If you want, an option is that you might only have to take off
One side.
those 3 screws, and then you can leave the
But
plate
so I can
attached
sit
on there.
flat on top of the truck.
Oh, okay. Well,
You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
you could do that too. Yeah. So I'll hold this. 'Cause
Okay.
all right.
That's why I'm taking up the little plate because of the way they're gonna go on top.
Sure.
So that they won't
Scratch.
sit flush.
All right.
I'm gonna take these 3.
Oh, okay.
One.
How long do you guys think it's going to take to take apart this bed?
20 minutes.
To take it apart.
Yeah.
Not too bad actually. Loading it up is going to take you longer.
It'll take a little bit longer.
And
But I mean, taking it apart, what do you guys think?
20 minutes.
Okay.
They're optimists.
What color is that?
They're right now at that
call
level.
it espresso, mocha,
Mocha?
you know, something like
That's
that.
a pretty color.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him because he said he could paint the dressers black, and I said, no, it's not black.
No, now let me show you here.
These are pigtail like too. That way, not
They are, yeah, and I think that they are. I'm trying to remember
at an angle.
which way.
No? Yeah.
Yeah, so it's about 30 degrees,
Okay.
roughly. So, and I know if you're.
Yeah, this will go in there because this has a swivel on it. Sit.
Oh, okay. All right, nice. So just be careful when you're getting them out because you know some of those holes have reamed a. Oh. There you go.
It's a lot faster with a drill, huh?
Yeah. Here's me with this.
Those are the
right?
3 for the.
Okay.
Okay.
Unfortunately, they're different colors as well.
Yeah, these
so
are-
Oh, yeah,
so if
that's
you want-
cool. Thank you.
You know, it's. I guess that they were.
So
color
those
coded.
3 go to the corner back.
That's right. Yeah. Just into there. And then it's just the same on the other side if you want to zip those ones out. And they should be about the same angle as well, probably about the same 30 degrees.
I told him I should put you guys on YouTube for people to take apart a platform bed.
I don't know if there's many platform beds that are like this one, that's for sure.
Okay, that's the 3 on
And
the other
that's, and
corner.
that's just the same, the 3 there, yeah.
And then there's 6 right here. Look.
But those are the ones in the beginning, right?
These are for the front.
And actually what I can do is that we can just take those down onto the plate as well.
Oh, right here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, and then that way. Now, there are some additional screws that we will have to get the screwdriver into for the...
Let him do it with the screwdriver.
Are they on the little wood or something?
they're actually on the underside of the
Bed.
outside, yeah.
Oh, they screwing this way?
No, they're actually on the
Oh,
other
go
side.
up.
And you could try feeling around for them.
Okay.
I know where they are, but I won't make a guessing game for you. But
Okay, I see them.
Are you Scottish too?
No, I'm from New Mexico. I'm from Taos, actually.
Oh, okay. I was telling him I love the accent. How did you guys meet?
We met through some friends in Colorado Springs, actually.
How neat. Isn't that crazy how life ends up? You end up with somebody that's from a whole
Yeah.
other...
do you remember which ones?
Yeah.
Like when you were in the back or
Yeah.
the side?
The long ones,
Who would have thought when you guys were
the-
kids that
the
you'd end up with a Scottish man? And
Yeah, that's fine. Just as long as you remember. Okay.
I always wondered things like that. I don't know why. when he puts it together, the best way would be the way they took it. You took it off, or
Pretty much, yeah. Just do it in reverse.
There we go.
oh, in reverse?
Yeah, bro. You want to use this?
No, he's got it right.
Shorter.
Actually, I think I got it here.
He's got
Did
it.
you?
Yeah, and I also love to punish myself as well. So.
You're old school. That's good. That just means that you take your time.
All right, there we go.
There we
So,
go.
You did it just as fast.
so these are the ones. Yeah, we
Those
can
are
call it
small
just
black ones
small black
that go
ones.
underneath the back. No, underneath the footboard.
Underneath. Yeah, that's right. So, and then I think that these are the only. Let's see, how many were in these?
There's like 6 or 9 of them.
All right. Actually, yeah,
Right.
we're okay as long as these are all unique because
Yeah.
these 4 have got the washers.
Yeah.
These ones here are
White.
Are white,
Mm-hmm.
and then these ones here are for the in the middle
Yeah.
rail, and then I'll just be able to put all these together.
Yeah, those are a little bit longer, so these are a little shorter.
Those are the footboard ones underneath.
Yeah, those are a different size.
Yeah.
And these ones are around here, so.
And those are stuck to there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I appreciate you doing it like that because that'll make it so much easier.
Okay.
That's it?
And then the next thing that we need to do, and this is what the rubber mallet is for, is that
Tap it up.
yeah, just to and then
Oh, okay, that was like a sleeve.
Lightly tap it that way. Tap it like he's telling you. Right?
Huh?
you got
Tap it, otherwise you're gonna bend the wood.
And then, I'll tell you what, if you can catch up with this one, and then that one will want to, yeah, there you go. And then I can just lift this one out of the way.
Whoa.
Taking care not to stand on everything. And that's it. And then that's all the bits. So,
That's simple.
Yeah, he's
not
like,
bad, right?
watch, let's see if it's that simple when he puts it together.
It's actually harder. The other ones are harder for some reason.
Uh-huh.
Which ones?
The regular bed.
You think so?
Yeah, this is easy. This is like a water bed.
Is it?
Kind of like a water bed.
Oh,
Like
okay.
the old water beds.
Alright.
Just that the old water beds had 4 of these. And
So
those
that's
had
it.
had
Now
like
it's
a
just
little
carrying
slots
it out.
Oh,
And they
okay.
slide in like that. They lock
Oh,
in.
right, okay.
So
I see.
you don't have to take off the screws.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So now it's just carrying it out.
That's it.
Pretty
And
much.
that is how you take off a platform bed.
Pretty much. That's about it.